So I'm about to eat a cricket, apparently. And like you can actually see that it still has its head and wings and everything. Should have got a glass of water or something. Oh my god. It's kind of nice. It's really sweet. It kind of tastes like a sugary Weetabix or something. It's kind of tasty.
Have some of the ones that are like Monster Munch.
Which one? These ones? Oh, this is kind of nice aftertaste now as well. I don't know what this is. Didn't taste like anything really. It's actually kind of nice. They're kind of like crisps almost. They're like snacks or Monster Munch or something.
Yeah.
I think that's another cricket. Just these kind of, they look like, I don't know, they've been dipped in some sort of spice or something.
They're the Mexican ones. I like them.
I'd actually eat that, like.